Hello, Dr. Davis. This is my submission for the part 3 of the annual program. So my overarching goal for my training plan is to improve physical speed and leg power of my athlete. And then I have a table here breaking down the macro, meso, and microcycles. So for the macrocycle, the general goal is to improve physical capabilities that relate to performance in soccer. So the reasoning for this being the goal of the macrocycle is because that's what the athlete wants. They want to improve their physical capabilities to perform at a higher level of play. So that is the goal of this training plan. Then we have our mesocycle, and the general goals of the mesocycle are to increase power in legs and to increase agility and overall speed. So these goals are in the mesocycle because the mesocycle usually accounts for a few weeks of training, and that's usually when the physical adaptations that come from training start to appear. So these general indicators like power and speed are good markers or measurements that can be taken to see if the athlete is improving. Their baseline gets higher and higher, so that can be attributed to success of the training plan. They are improving, so that's why that is the general goals of the mesocycle. And when it comes to the microcycle, the actual goals of every training session would be a mix or include one of the general goals I have here, which is the hypertrophy of leg muscle, the increase in weight bearing or just the increase in power overall, increase in stamina and the quickness of leg muscles, and also incorporate some core and balance work. So the reason for these goals are to ensure that the entire scope of performance is being enhanced and not just power and hypertrophy. So basically making sure you're not overdoing it on one end and not doing enough on the other. So yes, we want to increase power, but we're not trying to, this isn't an Olympic lift where you're trying to lift the most amount of, you're not trying to squat the most amount that you possibly can. We're just trying to increase so that performance in game can be improved. Alright, so that is it. Let me know if I missed something or if I should look something over again. Thank you.